All right, today, guys, we're going to be looking at lesson 6 in our place value unit. And today we're going to be looking at expanded form. And when we're looking at expanded form is telling you the value of a number. And so I'm going to look at all three of my places. So I'm going to look at my hundreds place, my tens place, and my ones place. And I want to be able to tell the value of the whole place. So when I'm thinking of expanded form, I'm looking at it and thinking that I'm adding whatever the value of the hundreds place plus the value of the tens place plus the value of the ones place to get my number. And today we're going to be looking at using arrow cards. I'm going to look at arrow cards. Arrow cards look something like this. There's a hundreds, a tens, and a ones place. And arrow cards, thought you could see that. And the arrow cards, they show me the expanded value. So if I were to lay all of these on edge to edge together, and I want to look at the number 153. So if I look at the number 153, I'm going to pull the arrows apart so I can look at each place. Now the red represents the ones place, the yellow represents the tens place, and the 1 represents the hundreds place. But even though it looks like I have 100, 1 isn't the value of that 100. The actual value of that place is 100. So I would write the value of that hundreds place is 100. Well, now when I look in my tens place, it's saying that I don't just have 5, but I have 5 tens. So if I'm looking at the value of these 5 tens, it's saying the value of that 5 is actually 50. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I would write my value that is 50 in this second spot. Well, then the last place I have to look at is my ones place. And if I have 3 ones, it's saying the value of each one of these is 1, so I have 1, 2, 3. So the value of that place is 3. And so when I add 100 plus 50 plus 3, my answer would be 153. So I know that 100 plus 50 plus 3 is 153. So remember that expanded form is telling that value of what you have in each place. It's not just saying the number, but it's pulling it to say that when I have 100, I actually have 100. 5 tens, the value of that is 50, and the value of 3 ones is 3. So that when I put all of those numbers together, my number is 153. Today you will be working and using arrow cards to help you figure out the value of each place and to show me the expanded form.